between a Rossi and a hash brown?
It's a cracker joke.
We're mixing it, we're steaming it. And then we've got to eat a little bit. Lovely. So yeah, it's not a Rossi, it's hash brown. Wow, what we got? We're going to deep fry it, get it all going in, and then we're going to eat it. So we're going to make a potato Rossi.
What's the difference between a Rossi and a hash brown?
It's a cracker joke.
No.
Well, I think a hash brown was thicker and a Rossi is flat in a circle. Guess who's going to know? Mike.
Chef Mike.
Say a Rossi is cooked in a pan, though. Fry a pan and a hash brown deep fry.
Tom, have you got an opinion?
No, weenie top. No, there's no opinion.
So yeah, it's not a Rossi, it's hash brown. What we're going to do, we're going to grate these, season them, let them sit, let the salt draw out some of the water content of the potato, so that when they fry, they're not going to fall apart. And then we are weighing that juice that you squeeze out of the potato, and then we're going to replace that juice with half the amount of fat in there.
Do we have a potato grating competition?
Nope, because my potato will be this morning. And we've only got one grater.
I've only got one grater.
Finished.
Well, well, well. Wow, well, we were. We need some more salt, actually. Beauty. Give that a good mix. We can let that sit 20 minutes. We're going to squeeze it out for a cloth, and then we're going to put the fat in with the potato and steam it, and then slice it. We're going to deep fry it, and then we're going to eat it. Right, so potato's been sat now for 20 minutes. Just going to get it in this lovely clean cloth. Oh, it's all going in. Wipe this out. Squeeze all of the liquid out of the potato. We're going to replace that liquid with beef fat. Seems like a lot, so we're just going to bind that in now. And then we're going to bag this up, and then we're going to steam it. We're mixing it, we're steaming it. And then we've got to eat a little bit of, lovely. Bit of raw potato never hurt anyone. Right, and then we're going to bag it up.
Yeah.
Back it up, back it in.
Why does one vac-tack it?
Just to get a nice airtight seal on it, so it cooks evenly. Squeeze all the air out. Well, we're not, let the machine do its business. And then we can manipulate it when it's in there. Squish it, squash it. Right on.
Rolling pin.
Right, yeah, rolling pin. I think I've got a rolling pin, a bottle of wine's fine. Just gonna get it signed off. Thick enough? Is that right? Thickness right?
Yeah.
How long for? 25?
25, yeah.
In the oven, steam it, half hour. Into ice. And then when it's very, very cold, very, very set, we'll cut it and fry it. Beauty. I love it.